Yes, we are back again. Hi everyone, welcome back. And in the additional of today's newspaper, Thursday, May the 28th, we will continue with the third Sudoku, and it will be a Sudoku with the 3 stars. So let's get started. I see here in this row 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 4, so no 3 and the 4 in those 2 boxes. The 3 and the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. I marked them 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. That means the other 2 numbers are also a pair for the numbers 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9. Alright, 6 and the 9. Then how about these 3 boxes? In the last row we have 6 missing numbers. 3 of those are the 6, 8 and the 7, so no 6, 8 and the 7 in these 3 boxes, so the 6, 8 and the 7 goes there. I see here a 6, so no 6 there, so the 6 goes here again, and the 8 and the 7 goes here. 8, we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7, this should be an 8. 8 and a 7. 7 and the 8, yes, 7 and the 8. Alright. What are those 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are the 4, the 9, and the 5. I marked them 4, 9, and the 5, 4, 9, and the 5, 4, 9, and the 5. 1, 3. That means we have a 2 in this row, a 2 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 2 should be there. These 2 missing numbers are the numbers 3 and the 9 are the 9, the 4 and the 5 are there. The 3 and the 1. 3 and the 1. Yes, 3 and the 1. We have a 6 in those 2 boxes, so this box cannot be a 6. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes, so there cannot be a 6 there. In this column we have 2 boxes left for the 6, here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, in the third row, so in the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third last column, 6 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places for a 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Alright. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so in the column between. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So here cannot be a 1. Here should be the 1. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? The missing numbers here are the 2, the 3, and the 8. 2, 3, and 8. We see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 3 and the 8, I marked them. It's easier to follow. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? Those 2 numbers are the 4 and the 9. No, the 9 we have 4 and a 7. 4 and a 7. I cannot fill this yet. I marked them again. 4 and a 7. How about the 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there, but I see here 7. No 7 there, 7 should be here. The 1 in the first row, the 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1. No 1 there, 1 should be here. 3, yes, 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see a 3 in one of those two boxes. So no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in one of those two boxes in this column, a 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3. No 3 there, 3 should be here. 'We have a pair in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 here, so no 4 and a 7 in those two boxes. 3 boxes. So 2 boxes left for the 4 and a 7. Here 4 and 7, and here the 4 and a 7. The other 3 numbers are the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5 is missing. And the 8. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8. That means 1 box left in this column. 2, 5, 8. This should be a 9. 9 is missing in this column. Alright. So we have a 9. How about these 3 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 7 is missing. We have a 7 here. No 7 there. Here's also a 7. No 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. So the 5 and the 9 are missing. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. How about we have the 9 here. 9, 6 and 9. Alright. So the other numbers are the 1, the 2 in this big square. 1, 2, and the 5. 1, 2, and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. 1, 2, and the 5. The 2, yes, I see here 2. These 3 missing numbers in this big square, because I know those are the 2, 6 and the 9. We have a 1 and a 2 and a 5 are missing. 1, 2, and 5. I see here 2, no 2 in those two boxes, so the 2 goes here. The 1 and the 5 are missing. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then how about 8, 3, and then 9? The 9 is here missing. Yes, 9, 8, and 3. Yes. Yeah. And a 5, yes, no. We have a 3 here. So why didn't I notice that earlier? We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 3, and this should be the 8. 2 numbers left in this row, the 8 and the 9. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 5 and 1. And the 5 and the 1, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the number? 3. 9. 4 and a 5. How about these two numbers in this row? The missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 7, 8, and a 6. 7, 8, and a 6. 4, 7, and a 8. 8, 7. Alright. 5, 5. 8, 8, and the 2 can be everywhere. How about these 3 numbers? 2. 2 is missing, yes. 2, 9. The 9 should be there. Yes. In these 3 numbers, missing numbers, in these 3 boxes, one of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 here, so this box cannot be a 9, so the 9 could be here or could be there. I marked them, so we have a 9 in the second row here, the 9 in the third row, and there. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 9 should be here, because we have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, so 4 and a 5 are left in this box, in these 2 boxes, 4 and a 5. 7, 3. How about the 4 should be here. Yes. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4. 8, 5 cannot be here. 8, 5, and a 2. Alright. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row. 5 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 8. 8 and the 2. 8 and the 2. Same like here. 8 and the 2. But in these 2 boxes cannot be an 8. We have an 8 here. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. So 8 and the 2. Here should be the 8. 2 boxes left, the 9 and the 2. We have a 2 here. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 4, 7, 4, 7, 4, 7. Yes, these 3 boxes. The 4, the 3 are missing. And the and the 4, 3, and the 9 we have, and the 2. We have a 2 here in this column, 2 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 2 should be there. So we have the 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4 are left. So this is a pair, the 3 and the 4, 3 and a 4. So we have a 3 and a 1 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore because one of those two boxes should be a 3. So this should be a 1, this should be a 3. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 4, and this should be the 3. This should be the 4 now, and this should be the 3. 5 and 1 are left. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 5. This should be the 1. 4 and 5 are left in this big square. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left, 6 and 9 in this big square. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this third column for the number 8. We have an 8 now, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. 8 and a 7. This should be a 7, and this should be a 6 in the last row. Yes, 6, 6, 6. We have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7. This should be a 4. 4, and this should be a 7, and this should be a 4. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. And the final number of this big square for the number 7. Finished in 70 minutes. Wow. Yes, it's definitely a 3-star Sudoku. You like this? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Download the PDF file if you want to make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4-star Sudoku. Yes. See you later. Bye-bye.